now we want to talk about figure drawing. So these were, as you said, the figures you drew 3 months ago, 4 months ago, before you came into the program, right? So when you came into the program, as I always do it with all the mentees, I test you guys, right? I test you, give you a test assignment to see what's your skill level. And I could see that you have an understanding already, a good base understanding. I just gave you an assignment for this month, which was basically doing a warm-up figure drawing, right? 1 figure drawing a day. The challenge of this assignment is more of actually doing it every day rather than doing the actual figure drawing, because you need to bust your butt to say, okay, I will do a figure drawing every day. And even if you have a bad day, you still, after 30 days, you have maybe 25 good, maybe 5 bad drawings. But you definitely over exceed the expectation because you improved again over these last 30 days. Really see the improvement here, the understanding of form, understanding of gesture, of motion. I can see that you start to take the feedback in when I told you, look at where's the eye level, where's the horizon line, think about the form, think about the motion, and these drawings, they become better and better and better and better. You know, like, how is your resume on doing a lot of drawings, a lot of figure drawings every day for such a time?
I mean, I did figure drawings pretty much every day since I started, but definitely not to this finish. I usually did like 2 5-minute studies, and I definitely skipped out on drawing hands and feet, and generally just drew more for fun rather than just taking them completely, like drawing them out completely like this.
I remember, yeah, hands and feet was something you left out, or at least it was like fingers and toes.
Yeah.
I don't probably remember, but they are important and they need to be there when you understand the basic principle of form and movement, and that like this like, I think sometimes people overcomplicated anatomy, like they put it on a podest, like, oh, it's anatomy, I need to understand every little bone, every little thing. No, you don't. What you need to understand is motion, form, and behavior in 3D space first. This is why someone like Kim Young-ji could do what he did, which was basically drawing these incredibly imaginative images with all these people in motion doing this stuff. And it's not because, like, in the beginning he knew every little thing. It's because he understood, okay, this is nothing else than a couple cylinders and boxes moving in 3D space. And this is a very important lesson to learn. But the other lesson to learn is, if you do something like a exciting challenge, like a figure challenge, where you challenge yourself to draw a figure every day, even though you have no expectation. And this is very important because you need to take the expectation away. If you expect too much from it, you will always run into a wall, I would say, eventually, and you will like lose motivation in the process of doing it, because at the end it's all about the fun of making a drawing every day and having fun learning, of course. What I really like here is that you started also adding shading now. Maybe you want to do 60 days now, or maybe you want to do 120 days, or you maybe just want to continue this as your general warm-up, if you can manage to, right? But I would also like to give you an extra homework on this one. Since you now can start to draw the figure from reference very well, it's now the time where we need to draw them a little bit from our imagination. What I will ask you, or what I want to challenge you, is that I want you to... I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. If you also want to get mentored by me, make sure to check out my website, janusz-art.zone, and apply for the mentorship. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Take care. Ciao, ciao.